Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 19th, 2022, and we're looking at our treehouse gourd. Now, this thing has died, but we want to see if it produced any seeds. So I'm going to pick it, and then we're going to go through it and see if there's any seeds. Let's take a look. Alright, here we are. Now, we'll go ahead and zoom in slightly. I just want to get a decent focus. Boom. Pull it apart, see what's inside here. Normally you wouldn't pull it apart like this, but this thing is, I think it's just premature. Oh yes, that looks like a seed. Huh. Wow, we did get some seeds. That's good news. So they're all, look at that, that's a seed. A couple seeds. Very cool. Very good news. So our efforts weren't completely wasted. I don't know if these seeds are going to grow. We are not going to find out this year. They look good too. They look like they're mature seeds. Usually the birdhouse gourd will get much bigger than what we saw here. So maybe these seeds started maturing. Yeah, see there's a premature set right there. So it looks like it was setting seeds continuously, and then all of a sudden it had to cease and focus its energy on maturing the existing seeds. That could be how it works. I'm not sure, that's just me speculating, but you could tell that it was still producing a whole bunch more seeds, but they never got mature. And there's like 3 sacks in here with seeds. Really weird. This stuff is kind of like paper almost. Very interesting. But, you know, birdhouse gourd. Now, if we would have let this thing get really big, which that's what I wanted, we didn't really have a choice in the matter. This shell would be like about that thick. But we got attacked by the root knot nematodes and they destroyed our vines. Killed them. But going forward into next spring, I'm going to be planting these seeds here and quite possibly some other seeds just to have an insurance policy against these seeds not being fertile. We'll be planting those in the spring of 2023, and I'll be using black walnut hull powder with these gourds, these birdhouse gourds, in the soil, and that should keep the root boring nematodes away, and we should get a full year of production of these birdhouse gourds. But not just that, I'm going to incorporate some other gourds also. Folks, thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because next year we're going to have a lot to talk about when it comes to gourd production on this property. Have a great day.